Hi guys, how you all doing today? I hope you guys are doing good. If this is your first time of seeing my face, hi, my name is Etiosa. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. And please, if you know that you haven't subscribed yet, do not forget to hit the red subscribe button down below. And if you do, don't forget to turn on your notification button so you will be notified whenever I'll be dropping a new video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I love you guys and I appreciate you all for always watching my videos. May God bless you all. So guys, in today's video I'll be giving you guys a recipe on how to make extra whitening glow body oil. So this oil is going to give you 3 shades and it's very effective. Okay, so if you're interested, please keep on watching this video because this is something that you should get your pen right now and your paper and start writing, because this is a recipe that you will not get anywhere else. So guys, this recipe is a unique one. It's something you can sell, it's something you can make for yourself, and it's something that you will make a lot of billions from. Bet me. And also, before we start, I want to quickly tell you guys that I am having an oil training pretty soon on the 27th of January, which is this month. We just have like 7 days left. Okay, so this training, I'll be teaching you guys 12 different type of oil: whitening oil, lightening oil, facial oil, stretch mark oil, kids oil, shimmery oil, repair oil, and a lot more. So please, if you are interested, send me a DM. I will leave my number on the screen, and the fee is 30k. Do you guys know why I always tell you guys the price I do my training? Is because I do not want people coming and start negotiating price with me. I just want you guys to know before coming if it's something you can afford. I don't really fancy the fact that a lot of people comes to my DM after watching the video I posted on YouTube and then start negotiating price with me. Please, this is 30k training and I will be giving you guys 12 different recipe, and I will be telling you guys how to select different good oil serums that you can use to achieve a very good and effective result. You know, sometimes I always tell people, if you want to make money, you have to use money to make money. Okay, and you have to use money to get money. If I start calculating the money that I've spent in learning skincare products, even in myself, I will not want to learn again. But the fact is, I want to be different from other people. Sometimes I pay for training. At the end of the day, what I am learning is just quack. There's nothing there. I would say there's nothing they are teaching that I don't know, but there are some points. There are some few things, as little as it can actually go a long way. So don't let your focus be on the money you want to spend. Let your focus be on what you are going to get. Is 30k too much to pay for learning 12 different type of oil? Just calm your head down, learn for money and get money. That's just how to make it in life. You don't just focus on what you want to give out. Try to focus on what you get. Yes, that's just the truth. The last training I did last year was 500k. I've said this severally on my YouTube channel. Most of you might think that I'm lying, but one of these days I'll just put the name of the school I went to on the screen so you guys go and check it out and let me know the price. I think by now, this year 2022, the price has increased. So don't just focus on this money is too big, how will I learn 30 oil just for oil? Some people will say just oil for 30k. Like, seriously, are you kidding me? Just oil for 30k? Do you know how many people that will give you just one recipe for 20k? Just one recipe for 20k, and you will go and learn. At the end of the day, what is there? There's nothing like secret in skincare. I rest my case. So let me not talk too much because this video is beginning to get too long. So right now I will be giving you guys a recipe. Okay, so now you will be needing kojic acid oil, vid gold kojic acid oil, or vid gold kojic deep oil. I can't really remember, but I know you guys know what I'm talking about. So that is the base you'll be needing. As I've said, this particular recipe is very intense and it's something you should use at night, not during the day. And you can also use this on your face. This is going to whiten your skin, honestly, even without using lotion or anything. And you're going to be needing beauty series oil. Beauty series oil is very good when it comes to glowing the skin and smoothing out the skin. It also tones the skin. It doesn't whiten, it just tones the skin. So you'll be needing 20 ml. So right now we are making 500 ml. Okay, so that's why I'm giving you guys this in ml, because I know majority of you will not be able to calculate it in percentage. So the next oil you'll be needing is rescue oil. You'll be needing 10 ml. Rescue oil is good for stretch mark, and it's very good for repairing the skin, and it will prevent your skin from getting stretch mark. Okay, and then you'll be needing rose hip oil. Rose hip oil is very good when it comes to glowing the skin. It has a lot of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. It's a very good carrier oil that is very good for all skin type, and is a no comedogenic oil. You'll be needing 50 ml of rose hip oil. You'll be needing Moroccan argan oil. Moroccan argan oil is another beautiful oil that is very good when it comes to glowing the skin. It's good for hair, and it's good for a lot of things, and it's also no comedogenic oil. You can apply it on your face. Okay, it's very good when it comes to glowing the skin. It's smoothing out the skin very well, and it helps with black spot as well. Then you'll be needing skin free milk, 10 ml. Now skin free milk is a very strong whitening serum that you can use to formulate your cream and oils as well. So you'll be needing 10 ml. You'll be needing labijanese oil, the carrots. You'll be needing 20 ml or 40 ml. So now labijanese carrot oil is very good it's very good in glowing the skin, and the fact that it has carrot in it, it makes it better when it comes to, you know, brightening the skin. All right, and then you'll be needing whitener oil, which is also a very strong whitening serum as well. You'll be needing 20 ml. You'll be needing light up serum, 5 ml. You'll be needing stretch mark ampoules, 5 ml or 2 ml, because 5 ml, in order for you to get 5 ml, you're going to buy like the full packet, so you can just bring it down a little bit. You can use 2 ml instead. And then you're going to be needing vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil helps with stretch mark. It helps to repair the skin, and it helps to moisturize the skin, and it's also an antioxidant. You'll be needing 3 ml. You'll be needing nano half cast oil, 5 ml. So nano half cast oil is a very good whitening oil that is good for both face and body. And then you'll be needing Clinic Clear. Now Clinic Clear contains hydroquinone, if I'm not mistaken, but you can still do your own research. So Clinic Clear is very good when it comes to whitening the skin, and it beautifies the skin very well. So if you don't want to add it into your formulations, then you can skip it and replace it with other whitening serums that you know. And then you're going to be needing carrot essential oil. You'll be needing 0.5. I don't know how you're going to calculate it. That you will need, you can just add in like 10 drop, and that will be fine. 5 to 10 drop is okay. And you'll be needing Bel Eclat. Bel Eclat is a very good serum that helps with green vein. It helps with stretch mark, and it helps to prevent green vein as well. You will be needing 5 ml. And then you will be needing jojoba oil, which is a very beautiful oil that glows the skin and smoothens the skin. Jojoba oil is one of the most expensive oil, the most expensive carrier oil that helps with a lot of things. It helps with anti-aging, it helps to smoothen out the skin, it helps to even out the skin, and it helps to glow the skin. And then the last oil that you're going to be needing is turmeric oil. So turmeric oil is a lightening oil. You can also make this at home by yourself. So you'll be needing 30 ml of turmeric oil. So all you need to do is to measure all of this oil in no particular order, then you mix together. Please do not add in preservative, okay? Use just vitamin E. Vitamin E oil will preserve your oil. And after making this oil, pour it into a dark container and sell. Okay, so this oil, just try it and let me know how it works on your skin. Just try it and let me know how it works on your skin. I don't want to explain too much. So please guys, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe, share, comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.